Folks, are you tired of watching your money sit doing nothing? What if I told you that right now, in this market, there are 5 stocks, all trading under $1, listed right on the Nasdaq and American exchanges, that have real businesses, real catalysts, and real reasons to pay attention? Today I am counting them down from number 5 to number 1, and I promise you the closer we get to number 1, the bigger the story gets. Stay until the very end, because the last stock on this list is the one most people are going to wish they had paid attention to earlier. And before we go any further, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. We bring you opportunities like this every single day. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Now let us get into it, starting with number 5. This company has been around since 2006. For most of its life, it built video software for enterprises, schools, and media companies. If a large organization needed to stream, manage, and distribute video at scale, this was one of the companies they called. Steady, predictable, but not exciting. Then artificial intelligence arrived, and this company made a decision that most companies its age never make. They completely transformed themselves. They stopped calling themselves a video platform and rebuilt their entire identity around Agentic AI. They are now building AI-powered digital avatars that do not just answer questions. These avatars take real actions, drive sales conversations, train employees through simulated roleplay, and operate inside complex enterprise workflows. They completed a major acquisition combining buyer intelligence data with their avatar technology. Revenue in 2025 came in at $180 million. Losses fell 61% year over year. The company is now expanding into Europe, Asia Pacific, and Canada. And the analyst price target sits well above where this stock trades today. The stock is currently around 89 cents at the time of this recording. The company is Kaltura Incorporated, ticker symbol KLTR, trading on the Nasdaq. Now hold on, because the next company on this list has been quietly winning something that most investors have completely overlooked. A European government just gave them something that took years to earn. Number 4. This company has been around for decades. Their flagship product is a patented decontamination technology that uses a hydrogen peroxide-based mist to eliminate dangerous pathogens, bacteria, and contaminants from any indoor space. Hospitals use it, military installations use it, biosafety labs use it, pharmaceutical manufacturing plants use it, cruise ships, schools, prisons, and food processing facilities use it around the world. And then something important happened that the market barely noticed. On March 24, 2026, the company received formal regulatory approval from the Dutch authority governing biocidal products in the Netherlands. That approval was granted under the European Union's Biocidal Products Regulation, which means the company now has a pathway to expand its technology across the entire European Union through a streamlined mutual recognition process. Austria, Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Poland, Portugal, Romania, and Spain are all now potential markets through that single approval. Their Q1 2026 revenue grew, the operating loss narrowed, gross margins hit 52%, and a $120 million strategic acquisition was announced just weeks ago. The analyst price target for this company is $3.50. The stock is currently around 70 cents at the time of this recording. The company is Tomi Environmental Solutions, ticker symbol TOMZ, trading on the Nasdaq. But wait, because the next company spent 40 years being invisible to most investors, and then they did something nobody expected. Number 3. This company was founded in 1982, not as a technology company, not as an AI company. It started as a cash security firm, moving money and serving banks and governments across Asia Pacific for over 40 years, completely off the radar for most investors. Then they made a decision that very few companies their age ever make. They rebuilt themselves from the ground up into an agentic AI company. Their AI platform does not just answer questions, it takes actions, makes decisions, and completes tasks without a human watching every single second. And right now, that technology is already deployed and generating real revenue. In retail stores using AI cameras to track inventory in real time. In hospitals delivering AI-powered therapy solutions. In travel apps planning complete trips autonomously for real paying customers. A global sportswear brand just extended their contract and added new store locations for 2026 and 2027. Revenue grew 8% to $35 million in 2025. Losses have been cut significantly. A $5 million share buyback is fully funded and active right now, and one analyst has a strong buy rating with a 12-month price target of $4.50. The stock is currently around 50 cents at the time of this recording. The company is Guardforce AI, ticker symbol GFAI, trading on the Nasdaq. Now pay attention, because the next stock is building something for the battlefield that most people in the financial world have completely missed. Number 2. This company started with a very specific and technical product, blue lasers, not the kind you see in a classroom demonstration. Industrial blue lasers used in electric vehicle battery manufacturing, medical devices, and precision component production. A niche business that most people never think about. Then they looked at a problem that armies around the world are desperate to solve right now. Drones. Small, cheap, fast, and deadly. A drone that costs a few $100s can disable equipment worth millions, and this company said, "We already have the technology to stop them." They acquired a European defense firm focused entirely on counter-drone directed energy weapons. A portable laser device that can detect, track, and destroy a hostile drone in seconds. On March 31st of 2026, they received their first real government deployment order from a Tier 1 defense electronics partner. $250,000, first real defense revenue in the company's history. They have approximately $24 million in cash. They eliminated $17 million of debt. A European acquisition is pending regulatory approval. The company's own co-chief executive officer bought shares personally with his own money. When a company executive buys shares with personal cash, that is called insider buying, and it sends a very specific message about what they believe is coming. A LaserTech pipeline tracker update is scheduled for June 30th, showing approximately $2.2 million in Blue Laser Rover quotations currently under evaluation. Stock is around 16 cents at the time of this recording. The 52-week high was $4.24. The company is Nibiru Incorporated, ticker symbol BURU, trading on the NYSE American Exchange. And now, the moment you have been waiting for. Number 1. Number 1 on today's list is a company that has been building something quietly for years. Something that most people in the stock market have never taken seriously. But what they are building is becoming more relevant every single day. This company provides AI-powered digital solutions to government, defense, and enterprise clients. They build AI-driven identity, authentication, and smart credential systems. Think about every building that uses a secure access card, every hospital badge, every government installation where access is controlled electronically, every connected device that needs to verify who is communicating with it. This company builds the technology layer that makes all of that possible, and as AI expands deeper into enterprise and government systems, the need for secure, verified identity becomes more critical, not less. The company has real revenue, real government clients, real infrastructure already deployed. 3 analysts cover this stock with a strong buy consensus rating, and the average analyst price target sits well above where the stock trades today. Stock is currently around 89 cents at the time of this recording, right at the edge of the $1 threshold. The company is Agentic Incorporated, ticker symbol INVE, trading on the Nasdaq. Now let me be completely straight with you. Every single one of these 5 stocks carries serious risk. KLTAR is still transitioning its business model. Tom's is a very small company with limited revenue and cash. GFAI has Nasdaq compliance concerns and is burning cash. Baru has almost no revenue and is early in its defense pivot. Invyuk operates in a competitive market with execution risk. These are not safe investments. These are high-risk speculative stocks. Never put in money you cannot afford to lose. Do your own research on every single name before you touch anything. Read the filings, know what you own. This video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. You could lose your entire investment. But look at what is in front of you. 5 stocks, all under $1, all listed on Nasdaq or American exchanges, all with real businesses and real reasons to watch them right now. The question is always the same. Will you look before the move or after? Hit subscribe, drop a comment below. Which of these 5 are you watching? We do this every single day. New stocks, honest analysis, same mission. See you tomorrow.